Hai guys, hari ini kita berada di Kuzik Glans Ara Damansara bersama dengan tim RWB KL dan juga tim Kuzik untuk buat satu konten unboxing RWB kit yang baru juga sampai daripada Jepun. Kit yang baru sampai ni special sikit daripada yang sebelum-sebelum ni sebab ini adalah first RWB 997 kit untuk market Malaysia. So, jom kita tengok. Okay guys, inilah dia RWB 997 kit yang baru sampai untuk Kuzik punya projek. So, seperti yang korang lihat, kotak ni jauh lebih besar daripada RWB kit yang sebelum-sebelum ni kita nampak. Sebab ini adalah RWB kit untuk 997 lah. So, generally Porsche 997 compared to NoEqual, they are bigger, they are wider. So, bumper diorang pun lebih besar, hence why the box is bigger. So I'm not familiar with RWB kit for 997, so we're gonna invite team RWB KL untuk help us unboxing and explain a little bit about the difference between the 997 kit and the NoEqual kit. So, Tio, jom. So,
hi bro.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Hari Raya.
So the first part,
side skirts.
Side skirt. Besar weh. Normally the NoEqual one is straight, but this one you can clearly see its curvature. And then we got that one is left side skirt. So this one right side skirt. Okay, and then this is
lip.
Front lip. I thought it's rubber, but it's not. Kita akan susun random dulu. Nanti kita akan tunjukkan kit ni sekali dengan kereta, the actual car yang kita akan pasang kit ni. This is the front event untuk 997. Looks a bit like GT3 punya front event. It's nice. So the difference between NoEqual kit and the 997 kit is 997 kit has a lot more pieces.
Many more pieces.
Okay. Let me guess. This is front left fender. It's much smaller than the NoEqual actually.
Yeah, because the car is actually quite wide already.
Okay.
Yeah, so that, as you can see, RWB branded. There's RWB labels
All
inside.
RWB fenders has that
Quality stuff.
bonded stuff.
So that's the front.
This is the front. Okay.
That's the front. This will be back.
So, as you can see, we have more vents for RWB 997 kit because the first RWB 997 kit dekat Malaysia will actually be a 997 turbo. So, this will be the left side vent and this will be the right rear exhaust exit.
Exhaust cut out.
This is actually an updated kit
Yeah, the
from
latest
RWB
update.
lah. We should be one of the earliest to use this.
One of the earliest to adopt the new design.
Okay.
So the side
Fender.
skirt.
Ni front right.
Front left.
Front left is it?
Yeah, that's the fuel cap area.
Front right bro.
Right lah. Yes, you're right.
Full cap area.
Silap.
But 99
The other side, yeah,
the
left hand.
NoEqual tak ada
Yes.
the
No.
Oh, I see.
Doesn't have.
Okay. There's so many smaller parts here and there, but we're gonna take out the biggest part
Soon.
I think kena.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's slowly
So
pull out.
the reason why the box is so big is
Because of
because
this.
the rear bumper is so big, so wide. So yeah. So this is the largest item within the kit, but you might ask, where is the front bumper?
Basically, they will be actually using back the same bumper, just adding on the lip, the side pieces, and the front grille, the front actual original bumper. So that part will not be cut in any way, just glued on or riveted on.
Because turbo and C2 and non-turbo is different, so each 997 kit will be different lah.
Yeah,
997
basically they'll
to
depends.
turbo to non-turbo.
Yes, correct.
Unlike Equal, which is the same across turbo or non-turbo, C2, C2S,
Yes.
C4S. Okay.
So turbo ones are wider than the regular Carrera cars.
This will be the side piece
Side piece for the
for
front.
the front bumper. So there will be no cutting necessary for the front bumper. I see.
Not for the front bumper. The
Okay.
fenders, yes, will be cut, but not the front bumper.
Alright. Okay. As with the Equal kit, there's also smaller bits like rubber pieces and all included. But I'm interested with this fiberglass thing. What is this actually?
These are the fender liners.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he provides fender liners because when
Okay.
you widen the car, the fenders the liners have to be adjusted and
see.
it doesn't fit the original fender
Okay.
liners. So he's added extra fender liners
I see. Okay.
to make it all tie up together nicely.
Okay. Alright. So this will be the extension of the fiber liner,
Correct.
not the replacement lah.
No, not replacement.
Okay.
Probably, yeah, that's right.
So starting from 997, RWB will include fender liners with their kit, unlike the Equal one. So, okay,
Basically, that's it.
betul?
All the pieces for 997 Turbo Cabrio.
Itu saja untuk sesi unboxing kali ini. Thank you Tio sebab cerita sikit mengenai pembaharuan dari segi perbezaan 997 kit compared to Equal kit. Also the updated 997 kit. So lepas ni, since the car is actually here, so kita akan susun the kit around the car just to see how white the car is gonna be. But since the owner tak nak reveal the colour yet, so kita akan turn this video into black and white in 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, berakhir sudah konten unboxing kita pada hari ini. Seperti korang lihat, kit kita dah susun bersama dengan the actual car yang akan dijadikan RWB 997 first in Malaysia. So, kita akan, seperti biasa, kita akan hantar balik kit ni ke painter untuk colour match. Colour apa? Sebab tu video ni black and white. Sebab owner tak nak unveil lagi actual colour untuk kereta ni. So, kita berjumpa di konten yang seterusnya. Bye.